I'm here at the storage unit, which you guys hadn't seen yet. It's a 20 by 20 down here where I moved. Unfortunately, as you can see, there's all my stuff here. Not 100% all of it, but I'm also trying to figure out this phone gimbal, so the camera's going to be a little weird for a minute. Also, I don't think any of you saw in the last video, that is my daily 2018 Titan. Well, not really my daily, because the 18-wheeler is my daily, you know how that works. But we are going to do the Tach on the old Chevy here. So, let's get into it. So here is what we're doing. Because if you guys remember, this Tach doesn't like to work right. This one I have had before. It is fantastic. And I got it on eBay for cheap, and it says new, and you can see it's new in the box, but the box is kind of torn up and old as hell. So we also should figure out some of this wiring, but the problem is most of it's still connected down there. So we will see what we do with these two, but in the meantime, cue the time lapse. So it turns out when the Tach was sitting for so long, as we could see, the light came off. So I am going to do one of two things. One, I am going to glue this one back on, or two, figure out how to use this one. We'll see. And just like that, a little bit of JB Quick Weld, it's fixed. So let's get back to the time lapse and back to the install. Alright, so I temporarily forgot how to set this, but you push the bottom button and then there it goes. Listen, for those of you all saying, oh, that's a low shift point, keep in mind, I have 300,000 miles on here. So, that's a lot of miles.
Denied.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Alright, moment of truth. As you can see, I've hooked up jumper cables to the Titan because its battery was dead for me having the key on for so long. Let's see if this Tach works. Look at that! And then the light switch works to turn that on. And you saw the shift light, which I have at 5,000 RPMs. A little optimistic, I'll admit, but the other thing, that is a temporary spot. I'm on the fence of where to put it. I might bolt it to the roof, or I might leave it where it's at and bolt it to where it is. We'll see. But in the meantime, I'm just happy I have a working Tach that doesn't reset every time I hit the gas. And lights up when the lights are on. The other one was light up, which is, I still have here. I don't know if I just wired something wrong or who knows. But this had a long enough signal wire to go to the distributors instead of having to connect multiple wires together, so that might have been a thing as well. Nevertheless, we got the Tach on. I was going to install the steering wheel today, but UPS wouldn't deliver it to the PO box. But we got the Tach running, which was the whole thing I wanted to do right now. I might take this out for a drive and shove the tighten in the storage unit. Not sure. But for now, we'll pick this up later.
Bye, have a great time.